Okay, so we've got a 2023 Mitsubishi ASX. It is the automatic 5-door hatchback in black and travelled only 2,200 kilometres. It's got the reverse parking sensors and camera, alloy wheels, everything pretty much 2,000 kilometres old, so all looking pretty much like brand new all the way around. Mitsubishi has a 5-year, 10-year factory warranty. We'll take a look at the interior. 2 remote keys. We've got the cruise control on the steering wheel there, Bluetooth connectivity, and there's your dash there, 2,225 kilometres. Big colour screen, Apple Carplay, Android Auto, climate air conditioning, and yes, it's automatic. Interior seat trim, of course, it's like brand new. Got the side airbags there as well. Front passenger logbooks. And there's your back seat there, all pretty much looking like new. Just show you inside the boot quickly. A good sized boot on the ASX, plenty of space. All inquiries are welcome.